Chief Electoral Officer CEO Gajala Meklaya ba Frederick Roy Kharkungor Vlong ba gani election ching no mikmat steng samoy na lightly constituency shaga yang darwa tho an Gajala kandai ke election ching no mikmat banukong hapdeng ka khlam covid khandai Vlong bala de batai ba lori kandoni da covid khandai hilai banta Kacing yadai ki nong thabut, kacing yadai ki bor badai pej ki polling station, pa kacing yadai kar company hi borok away, daga ba pentri kami ki kendon yada hagi cekarung, syaki cekat thabut lor ki pat ki kendon. Daga ba kuntu ki nong sunang bawan sekmat ban perangkam yaka hok thabut chungki ulong, pa ki paj ba da spangot ki lech chika yalap election, ban ngaj ba kendon yada kubet kinam long ka jingwit, pa kinwan sekmat pat ban thabi ki bot chungki. Habakali CEO laong ba baydai ba kaching pengkhan ye model code of conduct MCC ba kumjo kaching pengkhan ik kendon ya da covid khandai kibor ba dai pej la shimkhia la banta but what ban ujoru daga ijhar haki kendon ka MMDA halo kaching cha huri hura har jabala constituency ba khargungor laong ba ladan kaching kawang mau habade ginong trai ka seng congress pa NPP ba dia ka daw tanrai dang hab ban wat bnia
kuminglatip kini ka silence period kelas dang menta 72 hours shwa ka kini ka close of poll te komolong menta ki berkat ki kini campaign ki lakut berkat te menta kala de strangga jing pinkre menta kini ka election komolong ha live voterik ka por vote kadina do new baje hado saw baje janmet te baro artli ki district ka East Khas Hills district ka badan artli ki constituency ka maflang bat ka Maurungkneng kila long fully geared up but hakjo ko poru ka West Garo Hills district beron kane Rajabala AC hangturu kila kijibin krea kila ya cha mukila long in full flow te kane Rajabala constituency le ki polling party kila mi lupa na mandasingi 2 days before the polling because kajingai long kini ki polling station ki khamjingai na district headquarters te ki polling kini polling party kila da ya mukila da mi nado mentasngi but ban menta jong East Khas Hills pira kin sedang mi nado lashai te kumangitip apa Maurungkneng idon reportedly ki polling station 60 polling stations apa Maflang idon Sanpotli ki polling stations but apa Rajabala idon 58 polling stations te kajingdon jong ki electorate apa Maurungkneng idon 36,751 apa Maflang gidon 33,194 और apa Rajabala gidon 32,750 te negini ki likely ki constituency ka ba hedo I mean in terms of electorate ka ka Maurungkneng laifundrio hajar news pa san phowai te katkum ka jing patha jong election commission kilaong ba badon kane ka because kane ka election ka banengkong ka long hapreng jong ka covid te long kini ki polling station kimdai bantam ya ka 6000 ngot kinong the vote te kat kum kita ki kendon jong election commission ngila create ki auxiliary polling station hapa Rajabala ngila create jin khan newly ki auxiliary polling station but hapa Maurungkneng pera ngila create kumahnyotli ki polling station hapa Maflang ngimnon kam create auxiliary polling station babaro ki kini ki electorate ki don within 1000 te habadai bat kane ka vulnerability apa Maurungkneng ngidon pratli ki balong vulnerable ki polling station apa Maflang ngidon spoutli but apa Rajabala ngidon arfaknaitli te kumangite baro ki candidate ngidon khatlaitli balong spread across these 3 constituencies sangot apa Maurungkneng laingot apa Maflang but sangot hapo Rajabala te kelum kilong khatlaitli te habadai bat ki jingpen kre ki polling party baro kila long trained lie round ki EVM ki machines ru kila abyang kila adap ka FLC banaliang jong ka security ru ki bor pahara barangno habadai bat ka bergani ka security arrangement ngilayo Southly kini ki CRPF company I mean kini ki CAPF company ki Central Forces ngiyo Southly napo government of India but hapo Maurungkneng kandon goi company kaban le ka patrolling ka area checking kani katai but kumjuru hapo Maflang ru kandon goi ka company rengkat bar ki state police bar ki home guards te haki jaka ka bangimla bangin amen haki tu ki polling station habangimla bangin pha ye kini ki CAPF te gindon ki webcasting kan direct telecast te karum ka jimtha jo election commission at least 10% of every polling station of every constituency they bandon webcasting te kulum gindon khanreutli kita ki polling station ki bandon webcasting because hapo mauplang gindon sanpotli te 10% kan they 10 polling stations te hapo 5 polling stations kanong 10%. Then hapo marukneng ring indon san but hakti giweiru in but hapo ka hapo marukneng indon handreutli ki banan under webcasting but hapo rajbala san ban handreu kan dong handreutli te kinnon ru ki micro observers kinnon ru ki videography team ki ban lek te kumapite menta kane ka election menta ngi penlong hakapor jong ka ka kolong hakap manhapreng jong ka COVID-19 te na liang jong election commission ngila yale kadwala ban ye kentu ye ki political party ban meeting bat ki ban betha ki deputy commissioner ye ki DC bakin pedang ye ki protocol ngila persang kadwala tang ye ba lese kadang don hi ka jing duna na jing sungtho na liang jong ki pajba ba kumno bangi dai bangin bat ye ki protocol tingala ngala de betha ro ye ki DC ba Muli tang namda ka election but ki DC ki longru ki chairman jong ka DDMA District Disaster Management Authority haba gidon ki COVID protocol tingal ong ki ba rengkat bat ki notice ba FIFA ki candidate ki to ki ba penkhen pemangila ai restraining order yu chairman jong ka JHDC but kumda tatari ki candidate ki ba fair number of railti ki constituency hakjo ko porru they ban file FIR ye ki to ki ba violate ya COVID protocol kat kum ka DDMA act amni tang namta ka election but namta ka but nagaliang jong ka DDMA ru te hendai haki polling station bere ni kwa bangin yai kentu ya ki pajba bakin adhere ya kini ki COVID-19 protocol te ngila ya kentu ru but hakini ka election kidon ki COVID kidon ki state nodal COVID health officer hakaman ki district but kiman ki constituency but haki polling station ru gindon ki nodal health worker te kiban page ye kini ki jing penkre namata ka COVID-19 kindon ki thermal scanner ki bawan vote ru kin hab deng mask but kin rung support ki polling station ru kini ki gloves ki belong disposable khnang kin yon yu tu EVM button te kindon kita ki arrangements berhat kan te kindon ki voter facilitation posters ru ngila long tangban penkenmau yang ye ki nong thebot ba haba ki rung shi polling station ki ban bat ye ki COVID protocol but ki ban maintain ye ka COVID appropriate behavior ko nong no te ngila the health department ki la rep training ye ki polling official ki la rep training ye ki nodal health workers but what ye ki polling agent ru ngi insist ba ki ban long ki to ki belong vaccinated ndai lada ba ki long lada ki par long vaccinated then at least ki ban don ka RT-PCR report ko long negative within 72 hours te ngasungo ba na I DC Shillong kila pen krek ko ka camp namanta gitu ki polling agents bakin le ka test but batang gitu ki bron gitu ka negative report kila ban one polling station te within the polling station ngi persang ban pen krek ya kata ong ka triangle of safety mo bakiong safety of the voter safety of the polling official and safety of the polling station te kata ka triangle of safety ngi persang mangin ngi kentu lele se ki pajba jongi gidang ya simpori ban sungtho ya gini ki COVID appropriate behavior ki COVID appropriate protocol ndai nagaliang jonga department teng ngi simkhia hi ngi ai kentu ngi ai training ngi penlong awareness ndai of course kidong ki jingduna ba ki pajbaru le se kidang shitom bagin sungtho khamjili uspang kane ndai ka long kajing kentu kajing ya berkajing persang makarang ya ji marhalor kini kidon bon kita ki report mostly kajing penkan model code of conduct kiri haki COVID protocol kajing bon breu dabra kajing bambat ya ka timing because na election commission kila long kila restrict ya ka timing te habang iyo kung kita ki report nagaliang jong ka election commission ki DO ki district election officer kila show cause notice but akjo ko por kila don ki stringent action kila shemru mahapo garwels यो chairman जो JHDC की किला withdraw या का approval ba un campaign kila ai ka restraining order par kumtar ter ki bon ki kini ki kertong shakiwe ki jakaro kila ai kini ki show cause notices but ngalong ki DC ru ba hagi jaka ba fill up ba ki break ka protocol de even ka FIR ru de ban file kar kum ka DDMA guidelines kan dei tang na ka election dei kidon board ru kum ki chairman DDA bagin file ka FIR te kita ki action ngila shem te don bok ba ka campaign period kala akut minin menshwa na po na long na lang election commission ki shele 48 hours menta bara kila penjalan shu gen menta 72 hours te kata ru ka dei goi ka one more measure ba ka shem na election commission kumno ban penduna ya ka ne risk of exposure gen ngiyo gi report no district election officer menen jongga rajabala ong ba ka report bala yo no ARO bala le cheka site kadang gajing mana kadang ni gajing kaja apeng ki nongbot ni ki party workers jong artli ki kini national parties INC but ka NPP but berhakta gajing ya kaja kala adon gajing ya kaung mau tidak adon katu ani giba mensau te lombora arliang kila sustain minor injuries but naliang jong ki police ki kila rush sang tu ka spot but kila atem ya tu gajing ya kini gajing kenat kila atem ya kini gajing kenat but ka situation menta kala along normal kala along it has been brought under control but kila don ru ki arrest but kini ki detaining ru kila detain kat ngut kila detain but kila arrest ka tu an ki breu but menta kadang ya ka patrolling man hak tu ka jaka khnang ban tem ban control ye kini ki jaj kini ki jaj clash kan te menta sawje janmir ru ngandan koi ga VC but ki DC jong baratli ki district but rengkat but ki SP but police nodal officer ru kini dan lang hak ta ka hak ni ka meeting bangin yo ban review bangin yo ban sungthu hak no kom ki lat kelinti ki measures bakin shim namta ka security khnang ba kinum don shu kum kini jat incident muk appeal jonga te kalong ba kindon ki jingpin khre apo ka long hakiman ki polling station kindon ki nodal health workers but kindon ru ki kini ki facilities kum ki glove kum ki sanitization te long abor ba philai the board ru tangi to ki bidang mask ki sha ban them fin rung ru phiap deng gitu ki disposable gloves khang ma fin press you to EVM button but kindon ru ki nodal health workers ki ban long ki ban guide ya covid appropriate behavior ban pet ya ka jingpin khre kan te ngai kentu ba kibrio kimdai begin shifting but kidai ban exercise ya ka franchise te lada kim shifting ban haki campaign te ban vote lai ban kin shooting habangi apa ki campaign ru ki mo de ki spa ki mukil attend hang to lai kamdon social distance kamdon eru te hang ne lai ngila maintain ber social distance ru ka wat ka rukam rung ki polling station ru kin le ha ka rukam ka babiang kat ka covid appropriate measure te ngaya kentu ba apa polling station lai kan nong ka long jing ben khre ka ba khamlong sani ka khamlong detail ba te kanumdon gunung no ka jing long no jing air ne ka jing smith na liang jong ki public kan bakin wan on the board te ngila ya peniat awareness ka to kan niru apeng gisnong apde mor shaki polling station ba fair te nganget ba kani kamdei kan long mor kanumdei ka la ka ba ban penwit kan te rengkat pa kini ngasuka ban syotho ifiru ba na liang jong ka election commission makani ka sin kong bagi ai kani ka form 12D postal ballot namenta ki senior citizen 80 plus kini ki baduna document kini ki baduna document ki disable badru ye kini ki belum covid 19 tingila yo jen lies partly kini ki applications but bon ki bala long term bakam non kam yaki bakin one polling station ban vote re kalong long mukila ban exercise ya ka vote jungki lengba ka postal ballot te ki bon na kini ki senior citizen jungi ki exercise je kataru te kataru ka dei ko ka measure ba ka election commission ba what long ban penduna ya ka risk kan te nginget ba kani kadi kajing sedang in the next elections like in Khambun kitu ki ba long ki ban exercise kani option ba kim nang kam kin one polling station kila ban exercise ka vote ki na yengi kila don ki volunteers kin don ki nodal health worker bala depute na liang jong district ban pej ba kajing late thebot kanya identi te ngi long of course ngi patip kan long kumno hakala fotorik le kijim kre gila don ka training kala ayat te kentu pej bakin cooperate bakin wan bakin thep ka vote but I say for because kani ka election ka menengkong ba penlong hapeng jong kani COVID-19 jadi saya kan don niat ki problem initially tangrai suki-suki ngatrai kan settle hi but kan sayat kat kumbade